coming in after objections were raised by the ruling left leaders. The Kerala governor has now come down hard on the critics. The governor has slammed the criticism of the ritual, saying it is part of the Hindu culture and the objection is unjustified and uncalled for. Now, the governor has stepped in amid the controversy and has said that there should be no objection to the puja or the celebration of Guru Purnima.
Guru Puja is our culture, and in that culture, we offer flowers at the feet of our Guru. And some people have objected to it. I don't understand from which culture these people are coming. What is their thoughts? Some people are objecting to it.
So the governor has now stepped in and has said that it is unacceptable, such criticism that is taking place in Kerala. Now, it all started when the Guru Purnima celebrations were taken up in a few Kerala schools. These are CBSE affiliated schools that took up the celebrations of Guru Purnima. And to celebrate the same, this was a puja that was conducted. You look at the visuals on the screen where students were seen touching the feet, offering flowers and washing the feet of the teachers. The left leaders have now opposed it, saying this is slave mentality. My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast. Well, Arpita, amid the standoff over saffronization charge that the government has also filed on the governor has stepped in and has said that this is a Hindu ritual. There should be no objection to it. Take us through the details of the entire controversy.
So on the occasion of Guru Purnima, there were several schools where students, videos have emerged where students have were washed feet of teachers. Now, after the video went viral, a lot of people came forward criticizing the move that why were students asked to wash the feet of teachers, and where, the left government also hit out at them, saying that this is not the culture of Kerala, this is a slave mentality, and people here in Kerala won't accept this. And Education Minister then ordered for an inquiry. In fact, all of these schools where videos have come from is RSS affiliated schools. So LDF government has put out at the governor, saying that it is the Raj Bhavan, it is the governor who's trying to bring up this mentality in the students, and that won't be accepted by the people of Kerala, is what he's saying. And also, even Congress has come forward hitting out at governor, saying that RSS, they are trying to bring up RSS mentality in the young generation here in Kerala. In fact, governor came up with a statement saying that this is part of our culture and there is nothing wrong in this, where students celebrate Guru Purnima by touching the feet of Guru, by taking their blessings. So what governor has said is there is nothing wrong in this. It is just part of our culture. But on the other hand, LDF government and Congress have come forward hitting out at this move, saying that this is not Kerala's culture and people of Kerala will not accept such things.
Okay, all right. Let's play out what the governor has said, because he has spoken up and has said that the criticism is unwarranted and unacceptable.
Guru Puja is our culture, and in that culture, we offer flowers at the feet of our Guru. And some people have objected to it. I don't understand from which culture these people are coming. What is their thoughts? Some people are objecting to